Right, le cuidiú dé tá sé bharás liom. Bhí muid díreach ag rá ag dearú na nótaí as an leor saoíocht sin gur dún warfar agus si patach I Catherine on Van Ogre and Train. We said that she's a dún warfar, a murderer, agus si patach. So Tammy Giri chartsus le nótaí atá rubbog níos fossil le fólam agus le cur de glandior le cuidiú dé sean na nótaí sagamsa agus bé siad le fólam agah. Okay, so on Van Og. Ag tús an scannain at the start of the film, Fecamid gur gra van E. We see that she's a gra van, an ordinary woman. Now, small note there. Is gra van E? She's an ordinary woman, a normal woman. You'll remember from your clean from your indirect speech, which we did ag Jerry Bhean Warta, that is changes to gur. When you want to say we see that she's an ordinary woman. Gur gra vani. Ach tá she chan galore lena maher, but she's kind of tense enough lena maher, la mami seki. Nura hian and fardal she is osakor when he sits in front of her, bein she ag scubail na gus fuin tabla, bein she corhanach fuin tabla. He's kind of kicking her feet fuin tabla. Ing honest o darnoi. Tossian she kainch gan stad, he starts chatting non-stop. Agus current she is jocker he nur nach muggen shidi. And he bothers her nur nach muggen shidi when he doesn't leave her in peace, basically. Erin she he cup on cafe ildi. He asks her, ear is the verb to ask a favour. Ach dualty and she. So she refuses. Neil she sasta could you lesh. Erin she he shukra a curse a cafe dough. Even when he asks her to put sugar in the coffee for him, dualty and she refuses. Geran she lesh gwil luch agus baj las mwy nach an. Geran she gwil luch agus baj teve mwyd and train le fec aile mwyr in inyog, but Neil she shin fear. It's lair gwil and fardal tricela, and it's clear that he's kind of getting upset. Ach curran an doi a will she agiha jestine or he, but the way he's eaten an doi a will she agiha an Cáca Milis agus ag ol an cup and cafe curran she jestine or he really disgusts her. So she gets a wee bit unkind. Ag fecin which gunerian she nís massa agus nís massa, so we see that she gets worse and worse though derera kela. Fecin which gurdina, again, is changes to gur, we see that she is. Gurdinia cruelta gielta saki. We see that she's a cruel, vengeful person. Gielta saki, ag jeru and scanain at the end of the movie. So Korean she are wub grana a wulu in yar. So she decides to pay a bub grana a nasty trick, a clias in yar dal. When she gets us, she gives him a fright, a grag will paste le fecail sa Cáca Milis, saying that there's a paste, a worm le fecail sa Cáca Milis, nur nach will. Nur a curran she an tonanali hor or an tanalor liat teu when she puts the inhaler liat teu to one side an tabla o sagor. Curran she an fardal hun bash, she effectively puts him to death. Hun bash. Agus Neil trua da lead eki dunyarbucht, and she doesn't have the slightest bit of trua, no pity whatsoever. Da lead dunyarbucht for the poor man, a for bas ag an Erin train ag jeru on scanine. Okay, so shinna noti sagamsa, rubug ni simpla, rubug ni skira, agus ta shid shud le folam agav lewer dull. Ta sul agan gwil shivig kunyil suas lesh an uber, agus gwil shivig kunyil shgumai kunyigi slan. Gur mai gav a cardja chucky me arash hugav lesh na noti. Fwy the warrel. Gur mai gav slan live.